So guys, there are so many different ways to make salsa. Let me show you one here that's real simple and quick. It starts with some diced fresh tomatoes and this can of rotel. It has some of those peppers and onions in it as well. Next, we're gonna go in with some fresh cilantro. I'm using the whole bunch, so I'm just gonna kind of break it up a little bit, throw it right in there. Next, I got a can of these chipotle peppers, and I'm using the whole can because I want some heat in here. We're gonna follow that with some hot tomato sauce. Once again, the whole can. So I'm again looking for a little bit of heat. Now we're gonna go with our lime. I cut it in half and I'm gonna squeeze both halves in there. That little bit of citrus is perfect for this salsa. Finally, we season it. We got a couple big handfuls of salt that are going in. Follow that with some cumin. Just add these spices to taste. It's whatever's gonna work best for you. I'm gonna finish that with a little bit of dried oregano. That's it. We're gonna throw on the lid, blend this till it's nice and smooth. You could do a quick blend if you wanna leave it a little bit chunkier. I like to get it kind of pureed up a little bit and just throw it in a dish. I know that one's a little bit big. I switched it to something smaller later. Anyways, the salsa was perfect, just the right amount of heat. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.